Get excited about the 2016 Kia Soul. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.